We worked with some homeowners that you still see on television.
Yeah, that's true. I'll tell you one you see everywhere, Ed Begley Jr. We had a lot of fun at his house.
He's such a tall drink of water. I mean, he towered over both of us. But what tickled me about Ed was that he got such a thrill out of showing you his solar oven.
Right.
And then he picked the lettuce growing in his own yard and made you eat it.
Yeah, no, it actually tastes pretty good, you know. But what about his neighbor just a few houses down there? That was an interesting experience.
And oriented strand board, where do you get that? That's right, from Ed Begley's trash pile in the alley. That's where I got it, down the street.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Right.
Should be Bill Nye the Nut. Slow down! He's crazy.
It's my bike!
Yeah, I was going to say, what are you going to do with it?
But such a genuine person. I don't think he wanted us to leave.
No, I don't think so either. We could have stayed around there quite a bit, but he may have put us to work after a little while. But another one that we ran into out on the West Coast, Laura Saltman with Access Hollywood, she actually had a few things around her house that needed to be taken care of. We at least led her in the right direction.
She was such a fun person to work with because she didn't really know a lot about home improvement.
So all I need is the chain. I don't actually need, it's as simple as a chain. Yeah. Oh, I thought you needed like the whole plasticky, rubbery thing at the bottom there. The chain. Oh, you just need to replace the chain.
And when you go to replace it, you already know what to do. Turn the water off.
What
was funny though was the fact that her dog got into the act.
Oh, yeah.
Pillows, and I'll try to like put them up here, up there, if people come to my house, just to cover. It's all about covering things and making it look like they're not a mess.
Hey, that works better than the pillow.
There you go.
Stay.
Paris, go hide the.
Whenever the company comes.
But I'll tell you what, Alan, one of the guys that we were able to work with that impressed me the most, Hank Aaron, you know, home run king, Hall of Famer. It was just really special to spend that kind of one-on-one time with him.
It's not only these plaques and trophies in here, but it's really hard work.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you just can't. It's 23 years of hard work, you know, and I just want all of the kids, black, white, purple, whatever color they may be, is to understand that there is no shortcut in life.
Right.
I mean, when you start thinking that there is shortcuts, that's when you get in trouble.
Right.